all brilliance of the sounder brilliance, speed love brilliance, dimmer, anemometer dimmer. Okay, on this part, this is the steering repeater. When you give a command to the rudder, this is the gyro repeater, and this is the whistle controller, magnetic compass indicator. The dimmer, mostly our dimmer, is autopilot. Here, this part where you are changing the autopilot and the hand steering, and also the control of the non-follow-up unit is also here, autopilot system. Okay, the non-follow-up control is here. Okay, when we are changing from autopilot to manual steering, or what we call the hand steering, is there on this area, on this part. Okay, and this is the, okay, let's go here. This is the autopilot annunciator, dimmer, mostly are dimmers. Dimmer for overhead, dimmer for universal data display, and this one is the BDR. Yeah, as you can see, let's look it. We have one alarm. That the alarm is showing because we switch off our echo sounder. If the echo sounder is, since we are running in a deep sea, so we cannot, there's no need for us to use the echo sounder, so we keep it off only. That's why it's showing one alarm, BDR. This is a video data recorder. So this is the GPS display unit. Let's go. Okay, we're showing our GPS position. Okay, and these are the emergency powers. This is for our steering gear alarm panel, and then this is our steering gear motors, steering gear number 1 and number 2. Now we are running in number 1 only. So, but during maneuvering, if there is a pilotage or some river passage, we are switching on to 2 pumps or 2 steering motor. Emergency alarm, oh, very important. When anything happen, like for emergencies, like boat alarm, fire alarm, you know, like that, we have to press this general alarm. You can see the button here. You have to lift the lid, and this is the manual pressing the button, and this is the automatic. When there's an alive drill or something, or a real alarm, you should go and press the alarm from here, general emergency alarm button. Okay, and these are the dimmers, so you can see clearly if it is functioning well. The hand slip lock, and then this is the, let's go this part. This part is the public address main remote control unit.